In this video, we will discuss the third condition required for a squeeze play, condition U in the acronym BLUE. The U stands for upper, which is a confusing word that has been shoehorned into the acronym. The upper hand is the hand that plays immediately after the squeeze victim. So if we're going to squeeze our left-hand opponent, then the upper hand is dummy. And if we're going to squeeze our right-hand opponent, then the upper hand is our hand. Condition U states that at least one of the threat cards must be in the upper hand. So if we're going to squeeze our left-hand opponent, then at least one of the threat cards must be in dummy, and if we're going to squeeze our right-hand opponent, then at least one of the threat cards must be in our hand. Phrased another way, if both threat cards are in dummy, then the only player we can squeeze is our left-hand opponent, and if both threat cards are in our hand, then the only player we can squeeze is our right-hand opponent. If each hand has one of the threat cards, then either opponent can be squeezed. In this example, our right-hand opponent is busy holding both guard cards, but our hand, the upper hand, does not contain either threat card. Consequently, condition U is not satisfied and no squeeze play will work. When we play the ace of diamonds, our left-hand opponent must follow suit. What are we going to discard from dummy? We must discard one of the threat cards, and afterwards, our right-hand opponent is safe to discard the guard card in that same suit. So if we discard a spade, our right-hand opponent can also discard a spade. And now they will win the last trick with the heart guard. If, instead, we discard a heart, our right-hand opponent can also discard a heart. And now they will win the last trick with the spade guard. Either way, we had two aces, we won two tricks, nothing interesting happened. However, if we were to take the opponent's hands and swap them, now condition U, as well as the rest of BLUE, is satisfied and a squeeze will work. Furthermore, we could take one of the threat cards and move it to our hand, and condition U is still satisfied because at least one of the threat cards is in the upper hand, so the squeeze will still work here. Moreover, we can take the opponent's hands and swap them back, and now the squeeze play is still available because at least one of the threat cards is in the upper hand. Now, there is a small exception to condition U, which will make more sense after introducing condition E. So we will discuss this exception 2 videos from now, but this is nearly all of condition U.